Hello, my name is Jara Crowner and I am the Street Story Coordinator at UC Berkeley SafeTrack. Street Story is an online engagement platform that allows community organizations and public agencies to gather information regarding traffic collisions, near misses, crashes, and safe places to travel. This platform is free and publicly accessible and can be used for transportation safety planning efforts, project proposals, and programs. SafeTrack also provides technical assistance through workshops, webinars, and one-on-one assistance. This is the first in a series of tutorials about Street Story. Today, I am going to provide a quick tutorial on how to share your transportation stories on the Street Story tool. First, type streetstory.berkeley.edu to access the tool. You will see this pop-up box that asks to give input. Here you can choose to provide input in a city, county, tribal area, or unincorporated area. If you're wanting to see data for an area, enter the area, then click See Data. As you can see, there are other links provided to better assist you throughout this process. I am going to type in the city of Berkeley, then hit Next. Now I have to choose a location type, which can either be a specific location or point or streets line. I will choose to select a point. After selecting a point, the map takes us to the city of Berkeley, where we can input information. Before I do that, please notice the icons on the left-hand side that can help adjust the map to your liking. So I'm going to zoom in a little, move it over. Okay, I'm going to place my point at the intersection of Dwight Way and Shattuck Avenue. A little bit. Okay. On the right-hand side of the screen, I will begin to answer a series of questions regarding my experience at this location. Okay, so it can either be a crash, near miss, hazard, or safe place. I'm choosing hazard, then hit next. And then continue to answer the questions. I feel unsafe here when I am walking, and you have other options such as biking, scootering, etc. 2. I feel unsafe here at day and night. Then hit next. What makes you feel unsafe here? Say poor lighting, cracked uneven street, people don't stop for me, people don't drive at unsafe speeds. Tell us more. Do not identify any individuals by name or include license plate numbers, etc. Say, I've experienced people, again, driving at unsafe speeds, which makes it hard to cross sometimes. Okay. Then hit next. What will make this place feel safer? You can say if you have cracks in the pavement, more stop signs or signals, more enforcement of unsafe behavior for sure. And also you can provide additional comments. Then you hit submit. It'll take you to the demographic questions, and this section is optional. And so you can just hit next. Oops. And hit submit if I choose not to answer these questions. And that is how you enter an experience on the Street Story tool. I hope that this tutorial can be helpful in your efforts to share your transportation safety experiences, as well as provide support for identifying ways to improve safety for walking and biking in your community. And we do have more updates coming to Street Story very soon, so be on the lookout for another tutorial video, a blog post, and or webinars. If you have any questions, please email us at streetstory@berkeley.edu. And you can also comment under this video. Also note that paper versions are available in English and Spanish if there are any concerns about access or privacy. Again, thank you for tuning into this video.